Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Passwords, Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Then choose Screen Lock over here and select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you, pattern, PIN or password. Then you need to enter it, choose Continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. If you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that by following the instructions. I don't want to though, so I will go with Skip, and now when I click Home button, turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!